Hello, my glimmer gangs. Ailene, your favorite Color Street stylist, popping in here on Wednesday evening. That's it. I have almost naked nails. Got our nail strengthener on my nails. I've had that on all day. I'm going to apply glazed over. Now, I know some of you have asked how to apply a French manicure, so I'm going to show you how to apply a French manicure. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flip the camera around. Package going. So as always, our packages come with the prep pad. I'm just going to wipe my nails, wipe the pads. Comes with a nail file as well. All right, so let's start with some tips. You get 2 of each of the 8 sizes of your strips. Same with the clear overlay. So when you're doing a French, you again always take that clear plastic off before you do anything else. Separate the paper backing and create the tip you want. And then I just trim mine with my thumbnail. Again, take the plastic off, peel the back off, apply the white tip, pierce through the end, and take the excess off. Now, I am not going to worry if there's a little bit extra over the tip of my nail, like there is there, because I know I've got another layer to go on, and that's going to, that'll get taken off when I file at the very, very end. All right, so some of the promotions that are going on, Promovember, I didn't tell you earlier, but while I'm doing my nails, let's have a chat, right? So in November, some amazing things are new Stylist kit, and I believe I posted this in here already. The new Stylist kit actually has 5 bonus sets in it. So you get, is that the right one? That is not the right size for that nail. That'll fit that nail though. And that was kind of deep. I love that these are a little repositionable. Let's try again. Obviously, I can't talk and do this at the same time. I'm struggling. The same $129 value, or $129 for the new Stylist kit. You get 5 sets from the holiday line, as well as nail care items, and get products from the hand and nail care line that will fit that nail. Samples, 2-finger testers, accent nails, twosies, whatever you want to call them, and all the nail sets that are in our regular kit. Guys, you can't beat that value. And not only that, I know I've shared about the Jamaica trip that I'm working on earning points for. Do you know that right now they're making it easy for you to start and also earn your own points for your trip? This month, they're giving double points. Double points for anybody who signs up, and you are able to earn points for that Montego Bay, Jamaica trip next fall. Earning period runs through March, so there's plenty of time for you to earn those points. As you can see, applying a French is not that much different than doing a regular manicure. Now it's a little bit wide on this side, so I'm just going to pierce through that layer, pierce and roll, and get that extra little bit off the skin. And then once I'm done with this layer, I will put the clear overlay. Have you guys tried a French manicure? If you have, let me know how you liked it. Now, I am not going to do my thumbs. I'm going to wait to do my thumbs until I'm done doing the overlay on these nails, because I don't want to jack up the thumb. All right, so we're going to move these aside, get rid of that garbage. And let's open up our set. Now this is Shapeshifter. This has that fun iridescence, and they're bringing it back to help us get that donut manicure trend. So you can see, I don't know, can you see that iridescence in there? Apply it to the nail, up to the cuticle, smooth it over, and trim under the nail. Isn't that pretty? All right, so if you would like to make a run for Montego Bay, Jamaica, I would love to partner with you. Even if you're thinking, you know what, I could never do that. I'll be honest, when I started in 2018, I never thought that I would earn an incentive trip. I was like, nope, I could never do that. I couldn't do that. And yet I did, didn't I? Thanks to you guys, you helped send me to Mexico. And I met some amazing team mentors and sideline sisters that have partnered up with me, or that have invited me to partner up with them in the last couple weeks, and supporting one another and really encouraging me to grow my business. And I'm so thankful for that opportunity and for that partnership. It truly is an organization that wants the best for everybody. So if you're looking for a little extra income for the holidays, or looking for an excuse to get out of the house, perhaps you need extra money for hockey or dance or gymnastics lessons, I would love to partner with you to set up a game plan to help you reach those milestones. In your first 90 days, Color Street also has the opportunity for Jumpstart rewards, which are cash bonuses based on hitting certain initial sales goals. So amazing. What do you think of that? That's pretty, isn't it? All right, so again, peel off the plastic overlay, separate the back. I anchor it to give me something to hold on to, helps keep fingernail smudges off of the nail polish. Smooth it over, pierce it through the end. What do you think? That's pretty, isn't it? See that little bit of shimmer to it? Love it, love it. All that from nail strips. Now it's time to do my thumbs. Okay, so if Patty, as soon as I'm done, I don't know if you're watching, but as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to shoot you the theme for the first subscription box. It's so amazing. It's going to be so fun. And if you're interested in knowing more, again, drop box down below so that I can add you to the list. All right, and with that, I have just my thumbs left to go. Did you notice I put that one on sideways because I know that works best for that nail? That's the easiest thing to do, or easiest to do with solids or glitters. And then I know that I will have just enough left. See how it just covers that thumbnail. Now I'm going to get a cuticle stick to trim around the edges because I don't want to get the edges all jacked up. Now that I'm done, I'm going to do just a very simple little file. These have had a few minutes to set up to kind of settle in on the nail. And I am done, will be done with my manicure. So French takes just a little bit longer than a regular manicure because of course you have those 2 layers, but I think that classic look is definitely worth the effort. What do you think? You ready to try the French twist, French manicure?